Williams Atlanta Classic. I've been in business for 7 years. I've dealt with first-time homeowners, second-time homeowners, sellers. What is the market saying? Because another secret, as a real estate agent, I don't set the price of your home. As the homeowner, you don't. It's the market. Location, location, location. You look at it something like a flip and flop. They'll spend $450 for a house and sell it for $1 million. So it all really depends on what they want for the house and what your comps are.
So we touch up walls, and then after we fix walls, we get ready to paint. I'm from El Salvador. I've been in the United States for 10 years and working on this for 7 years. I just need to roll it. Say us probably 1 week. They should be putting floors tomorrow in a couple days, and then they gotta clean it out. And I think it should be ready.
So this is Forrest Ridley, Realtor, Keller Williams Atlanta Classic. Just doing a follow-up to the video we showed you at the house out in Stone Mountain that's going through renovation. So we're at the point now where putting in some finishing touches, the carpet is being installed and a couple of the touch-ups. But one thing that's interesting, sometimes it happens in renovations. When the windows were installed, the installer actually broke the window. So of course that added a little delay to the project. So it's not unexpected that sometimes you may have little incidents like that or other things that causes delays, especially in this time with COVID and comply restraints and shortages. So just be on the lookout for things of that nature. So at this point, once the carpet is installed and the house is clean, we'll be ready for photos. Now, a lot of people may be tempted to grab their iPhone and go take some photos, which when I first got into real estate, take some money to get into real estate. That's what I did, but I can tell you they're not professional. So you want to make sure you have professional photos. Some may say, why, houses are flying off the market. Just keep in mind, this is your brand. And if this is your home that you're renovating, everyone that comes in contact with you, everyone that does work on your house becomes really kind of part of your brand and what you project to the public. And if you do shoddy work or take shortcuts, that's what you project into the public, and eventually your reputation will catch up to you. So you want to make sure you have nice professional photos that really bring their property to life. And so once the photos are taken, you got to do the paperwork. It will go into the listing services, and you can do an open house. The house is vacant. You can just put a real estate lockbox on it, and then just have people go and show. So, in this market, prices under 300,000. Still, you can get a good bit of bidding war still if the house is in high demand. So we're almost there, and I'm looking forward to getting this project done, sold, and off to the next one.